I would like to start with the notation for the differentiation of a derivative, which is like the above over here, d dx. Okay, and then we have, how does one read this? Well, we start off with the d here, and it means take the derivative of something with respect to dx. So in this situation, we are asked to find the derivative of this particular function, x cos x, with respect to dx. And this is a product rule differentiation where u will be x and u dash is going to be 1, v is going to be cos x, and v dash is going to be minus sin x. And so substituting these, we'll just get 1 cos x negative x sin x. And as we're to find the integral of x sin x in the question, now remember that there is no product or quotient rule in integration. Because we were giving a clue to find the differentiation of x cos x, well, let's use it to our advantage. So we'll integrate cos x minus x sin x with respect to dx, and that should give us x cos x plus c. Okay, so now the integral of a sum, in this case a subtraction, is the sum of separate integrals. So we could write this as the integral of cos x dx minus the integral of x sin x dx, which is equal to x cos x plus c. I should be able to identify that this integral over here is exactly the same as this integral over here. And from now, the process is simple. We just do algebraic rearrangement. So now we can start with saying that the integral of x sin x dx, which has a negative sign in here, and we bring the cos x to this side, then that would be negative, and we'll add on the right hand side x cos x plus c. And we're so close to finishing now. We just know that the integral of cos x is equal to sin x plus c, and then we will add on our x cos x plus c. Now I want you to know that in these cases we do not need to write the two c's together. It's enough just to write one c. So I'll just highlight that c and that c. There's no need for the two c's. So we will just rewrite this again, which is going to be minus sin x plus x cos x, and also that constant at the back. Now we also have a negative sign over here, which we really need to get rid of. So we can do that by changing the signs on the other side. And that will be sin x negative x cos x plus c. And I just want to make it clear that as I was changing that negative sign on the right hand side to positive sin x and then negative sin x, I didn't change the sign for the constant because there's no need to. That's just always going to be plus c.